What I aim to do today, I've got a missing key there. I've got my spare keys, couple spare keys here. I'm gonna, as you can see, there's a few broken ones here. I aim to remove them and replace them with some new ones, well, reconditioned ones. Best way to trace the broken ones on the back of the board is to try, just take that off a minute, move that out of the way, is try to find them. These two here, just find it, try to trace where they are. It's these here, these two here is this key, and them two there are this key. So I've got to desolder these two, desolder these, and remove them. It might have been done once before, to be honest, but they've already been done once. So what I have to do is I need a sucker. This device, which is a pretty handy device, sucks it out. Always remember when you're doing this, is always put something on the table, because you'll find these are very sharp, and if you don't want to damage your table, it's a good idea to put something there. Yeah, so I have to desolder these. Top this up and desolder it. Push the sucker in. One. Great this. I'm new to this, to be quite honest with you. This sucker thing. Put that up. Two. Oh, push that in. 3. 4. So that should do it. That should do it. Let's have a look. See, we remove these. Might need a little screwdriver. Oh, there's one out. The top's missing off this one. Look, it's been grounded down. I don't know what happened now. Two. Why are they strange now? Why they're grounded like that? That's the two broken ones. Don't need them no more. Throw them away. Got a spare one in here somewhere. Got one here. It's always a good idea before replacing them to check them. Not sure what I've set yet. Now I've got the wrong one on. It's going for a while. Right. Yeah, so nothing, it's 1-1, it stays on 1, it's not even on, so it stays on 1 I suppose. Press the button in, that's working fine, look. That's fine, that one. Right, so we'll put that one back. So it's best to be safe. Do I put it back and find out it's faulty? So we bung that in the hole with the two holes. Two holes that should line up. Yeah, goes down and goes up, so we go right. Goes in there like that. You should see it on the other side. Yeah. Yeah, it's there. It's in that one. Perfectly fine. Get the second one. Got some here somewhere, I think. All the little spare pieces. I've done it right, that one. That ain't the right one, it's not level. So, put some, they're not right. They're wrong now. They're the wrong ones. So, what it looks like to me is the one I threw away, I'm going to have to put back and just have the one plug. It should still stay with one plug. But, I've got some wrong ones, not the right ones. It's a different BBC, I think. I'll try, I don't think they're the right ones. Yeah, they're different. You look, slightly, I don't think that line up, that. No, I don't think they line up. So if you get that, it's not the right ones. I'll have to bung that one back in. Like that. Just solder that back up. Yeah, just solder them back in there. Get some solder. It's a pretty easy job really, changing the keys on this old BBC keyboard. Not difficult. Just got to solder them in there. One. Two. Three. Four. That's done. Should be fine. Oh, looks a bit dodgy actually. No, it's fine. It's enough solder on there, but it's really nice. What am I supposed to do? It's in there. Seems to be fine. Seems to be doing its thing. Looks fine to me. Now find that key. Got an X key. Oh, your X key. You seriously needed. There you are, X key. Good man. Or woman, whatever you are. Going upside down looks different though, doesn't it? Looks like a different colour. That's white. Different colour X key. They're white and they're... Why they're white? Strange. They're white, they're yellow. That's a newer. Replace all of them. Different colours. Or maybe I can change them all. Z. Right, let's change them all. Then, right. So I bought some spare keys and just realised they're different colours than ones I've got on my keyboard. So what I'm thinking, maybe I should change them all. If I've got the whole set here, I don't know. Just bought a load of keys on eBay. If they're all the same, if they're all here, I'll change them. Does it matter? More lighter, isn't it? So might be worth a go. So what I want now is Z. I can't, maybe best to can them first. Go on the safe side. Right, before I take them all off. So there you go. What sometimes seems true, you know, you find something on eBay, which you think, well, that's handy, I could do with that, I only need a letter for this. And then you find out, chances are, they're totally different colour. So, what sometimes looks slightly angled as well, isn't it? Slightly angled as well, what's it? They're supposed to be angled, right? Yeah, they're angled. Probably for a different model. That's a bloody nuisance. It sometimes looks so good to be true as it normally is. Now I've got a load of keys, which I'm never going to use. So if anyone looking for some keys for a keyboard and they're white, not pale, creamy colour, send me a message, I might flog them to you. It's better no key, I suppose. I'm a bit annoyed with that. There you go. Just do that back. Got an X that don't really match. The chances of that happening. So he says in the description, BBC Marker computer keyboard spare keys. Now, why is that white? And a different angle as well. So slightly up, risen up. But there you go. Things are not always as they seem, are they? No. Must be for a different model, I reckon. It fits, it's just the wrong colour. Well, it is what it is, I suppose. There you go, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you've got something out of this video. Right, I've noticed the one I got upstairs, I've got BBC upstairs, the keys are slightly smaller. These ones are slightly bigger. So I don't know, they fit like proper BBC computer keys, but that one just, you see the colour's slightly different and it's slightly tilted a different way. So if you're thinking about getting keys for missing keys on your BBC computer, be wary, they seem to be different, some seem to be different, so as you can see they're creamy and that's white. There's maybe something to bear in mind, maybe they're a newer model keys someone's purchased.